Campus buses are usually packed with riders, seated and standing, and you may be wondering how students will stay safe on buses this fall. Georgia Tech Parking and Transportation has implemented new safety guidelines on board campus buses, so be sure to follow them the next time you ride. All transit vehicles are disinfected multiple times a day, and transit drivers undergo daily health and safety checks, and wear face coverings at all times. For everyone's safety, avoid riding the buses if you are sick. Now let's get ready to ride. Wait 6 feet apart at bus stops, and allow passengers to exit the bus before you board. Face coverings are required for all riders unless you have a medical exception. If you don't have a face covering, the driver will provide one for you. Some buses have 2 doors. Always use the rear door when entering. To create distance, all passengers must be seated. Some seats will be closed off for physical distancing. If you cannot find a seat, please exit and board the next bus. Primary campus routes like the Gold and Blue routes will have additional buses running during peak times. Limit contact with your driver and other passengers while riding. When you get to your stop, exit through the rear door, and don't forget to wash your hands when you arrive at your destination. Whether you're riding a bus or getting around campus on a bike, a scooter, or on foot, remember to always put safety first. Remember, jackets protect jackets. Welcome back to campus. We hope you have a successful and safe academic year.